Hello everyone and welcome back to the Tech Stack channel. So in the last tutorial part of the Excel automation, we saw that how we can open this Excel workbook and how we can get that values is we check that things. So now in this session we are trying to do how we can create the one Excel, and after this how we can activate that things we will try to explore. So just there is a no Excel files, how we can create that Excel files, we'll check that things. So first of all, if you want to open any Excel file, you need to use this open Excel instance. So let it open Excel instance, and after this I want to add workbook. So let me go and find this add workbook activity. Add worksheet is there. uh, So maybe it on the top side, open workbook file, add workbook from file. Let me check. Okay, so here I will make this sheet as sheet 2. So let it be whatever they given. So I will just take this sheet 2. And after this, I will update the one value. So let me update the cell value. Let me take this set value is there. Just go and take that set value. Maybe it's code based. Set value. Okay, set values. Just I will update in the A1 cell. So I will update here text. Okay, now this is done. So after this, I want to save. So go and check the save workbook. So let me take this save workbook. So it got saved. And after this, I need to save in the particular location. So just drag and drag save as workbook. And here I need to give this the path. So from this, I will pick this path. Okay, just I will make this file name as sample1.xlx. So just click on that save expression. And once everything is done, so I want to release this instance. So let me go and find that instance as well. Close workbook. So why I'm not going typing now? So this is a case sensitive. If I type, it might not get. So that's why I'm going and finding that instances and closing that activities based on that. Okay, now this is done. So let me run whether it will create this new Excel file or not, and we'll check that. And rest of the things are the same, nothing to update anything. So once you create that Excel file, so rest of the things as it is normal. So no need to do any changes here. Okay, just I'm started this running the automation. We'll check whether it will create this thing or not. So it's open this Excel instance and it got create, but we got that some value error. So now we'll check what is this. Please define an active worksheet by using this. Make should be an activity workbook. So maybe worksheet is there. Okay, I have created the sheet. Let me check sheet. Okay, sheet not updated. So let me kill this instance first of all. Okay, and dot exit. So I killed the instance. Now we'll check what we did the mistake here. So when I go here, proactive workbook before using this activity, make sure that you have an activate workbook. So let me check this. What we missed here. Add worksheet. Add work. Okay, so here I missed this add workbook is it? So because in the workbook only we have the sheets now. So that is which I missed now. So let add workbook. Okay, now this is fine. So we'll try to run. So basically we need to understand the hierarchy of the Excel. So when you say Excel, this is one Excel is the application. Under that we have this workbook. Okay, under that workbook we have the multiple sheets. Under that sheet we have this rows and columns. So cells is a combination of rows and columns. So we need to analyze the thing like that, then you will get. Okay, again we got one more error. So what is this error? We'll check. Where it got. Add worksheet is a sheet 2. And what is this? Sheet 1 A1 already sheet 2 is exist. How it exists? Sheet 2 is not there. No? Okay. We'll go and do some random name. Why we need to go with the only the sheet 2. So I will go with the T sheet. Let it be name fine. So just we need to understand whether it will create it or not, and it will saving into my local machine or not. So if you understand that, then rest of the things we'll get to know that. So how we can work these things, how we can the things, rest of the things we'll go check. Okay, now it started running. Okay, it's got created. It's updated the book. Okay, done. Okay, now it's saved into my local machine, and I will go and check whether it's got updated the data or not. I updated in the T sheet. Okay, data is not there, but sheets are activated. So data is not there. Let me let understand why the data is not updating here. So add workbook is done. This is also done. Workbook instance, it's saved in the local path. Save workbook and close instance. Everything is looks good. Save as workbook. Okay. Let me put the breakpoint here. We'll check. Let me delete this sample.xlx file and I will run this one more time. So basically all the activities which is required updated. Still it's not giving that data. So now when I check here, so it updated in the sheet 1. Okay, we need to understand here. So I have add this worksheet. So where is this worksheet? Still it's not added here. Okay, book excel1 dot save. So let me copy this. Okay, it is available in the documents. Okay, let it run. We need to understand one by one. Okay, now it got created. Let's go and check data is available or not. So here there is no data, and we saw this documents. Under this document, I have this book one. Okay, now it's saving here. So basically, what it will, so it's adding the data here. Okay, and saving somewhere else. The data is not coming and falling here. So this is a slight difference when you observe here. So now how we can tackle these things means sheet one, the data is not there. Okay, then we need to save as this work. Basically, we are doing the same thing, save as workbook. So let's go here and I will remove the save workbook. I will disable this activity and I will check. I don't want to save. So we'll directly run this now. So here the thing is we need to understand the flow, how it's working. Then it's easy to handle next steps. So just click on the test. So forget about the data is falling in sheet 1 or sheet 2 or might be the other sheet. So first of all, the data is updating and saving. We need to check that first thing. So let me check. Okay, it's not done. Go back to this path again and I will check. Okay, till sheet is creating but data was not there. So I found the solution here. Now workbook is saving. But when you check this add workbook sheet from file, save workbook from file. So basically these activities are similar, but these are using for the without Excel application. So right now we have this application with us now. So just we need to remove these activities. And for save as workbook, I will take this activity. Okay, and add worksheet. I will take this add worksheet. This is add worksheet. Activate add workbook is there. So add workbook anyway. We have this, and similar we have this add worksheet. Where is this add worksheet is not there. Okay, add worksheet is there. So just drag and drop these two steps. Okay, and I'm removing this from files. So the from files, which is nothing but also without Excel application. So only the small difference is it. So just remove, and I need this path. Where is this? I need to spark. So I copy this and I will update the path inside here. So this is done. And I'm removing this from file. And here I will make the sheet as okay, done. Okay, fine. Takes time. Okay, now we'll just and first of all we'll check there is no Excel file and running this automation it got added the specific sheet and stores the data. So forget about whether it is adding in the specific sheet or might be some other sheet. That's not a big deal. The thing is whether the data is updating and saving. That is the one thing which we need to check. So now the sheet has just created. So and I'm opening this sheet and we have this techie stack sheet and under the sheet it's got added the name. Okay, make sure that we need to use this specific activities with Excel without Excel. Okay, now you got, I hope you understand how the things is working here. Okay, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.